Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations? Given that t power of 2 minus t power of 3 equals 12. And what is the value of t? Let's see solution. So here we have t power of 2 minus t power of 3 equals 12. So here is the given question. Then we are going to transfer this 12 to this side, as we have t power of 2 minus t power of 3 minus 12 equals 0. So the next step, we are going to split this 12 into the sum of 4 and 8. So here we have t power of 2 minus t power of 3 minus 8 minus 4 equals 0. And we write 8 and 4 in exponent form. Here we have t power 2 minus t power 3 minus 8 is 2 power of 3 minus 4 is 2 power of 2 equals 0. And next, let's group this based on the corresponding power. Here is t power of 2 and we have this as minus 2 power of 2. So we group them together. And also we have minus t power of 3 with minus 2 power of 3. We group them together. So here we have t power 2 minus also this we have 2 power of 2 in bracket. So here we take out negative as t power of 3 minus 2 power of 3 equals 0. So when we factor out negative from here, here is t power of 2 minus 2 power 2 in bracket minus open bracket t power 3 plus 2 power of 3 equals 0. So moving on, we consider this as difference of 2 squared. T power 2 minus 2 power of 2. So it's a difference of 2 squared, as when we have x raised to power 2 minus y raised to power 2, this gives us x minus y multiplied by x plus y. And here we have sum of 2 cubed, t power 3 plus 2 power 3. The same as when we have x power 3 plus y power 3 equals x. This is plus y. Then multiply by x squared minus xy plus y squared. So here are the two things that we are going to be applying for these two expressions: t squared minus 2 squared and t cubed plus 2 cubed. So next, we are going to have, instead of x squared minus y squared, we change it to t minus 2. So multiplying t plus 2 for the first one, and also the second one, we have minus open bracket t plus 2 multiplied by t squared minus 2t plus 4, and odd in bracket equals 0. So here we have t plus 2, and this is also t plus 2. we factor out t plus 2 from these two, as we have t plus 2, then open bracket. When we divide this by t plus 2, we have t minus 2. And also when we divide this by t plus 2, we have minus open bracket t squared minus 2t plus 4 equals 0. Then by rearranging this, we have t plus 2 bracket, here is t minus 2, open this with negative, we have minus t squared plus 2t minus 4 equals 0. So we have t plus 2 multiplied by t minus 2 minus t squared plus 2t minus 4 equals 0. Then we have t plus 2 bracket, here we have minus t squared, so t plus 2t, this gives 3t, minus 2 minus 4, that gives us minus 6 equals 0. So next we have to let t plus 2 equals to 0, or minus t squared plus 3t minus 6 equals 0. So by letting the first one, we have t plus 2 equals 0. And this implies that t equals minus 2. Here is the first solution. And also, in the second one, we have minus t squared plus 3t minus 6 equals 0. So let's divide everything by negative. We have t squared minus 3t plus 6 equals 0. So this is what we have. And then we have this as a quadratic equation. We are going to solve this quadratically by having a equals 1, b equals minus 3, and c equals 6 from the coefficient of all these terms. So by applying the formula, we have t equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Then by start plugging in all these values, we have here as 3 plus or minus the square root of minus 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by b is 6 divided by 2 times 1. And next we have 3 plus or minus the square root of all this gives us minus 15. Then we have divided by 2. So here is the complex solution, as we have 3 plus or minus I root 15 divided by 2. This is for the value of t. So t equals 3 plus or minus I root 15 over 2, or we have t equals 2. So we can just try and verify with the first one that t equals minus 2. So to check, at t equals minus 2, so we substitute, we have t squared minus t cubed equals 12. So putting this value here into this, we have minus 2 squared minus 2 cubed. Minus 2 squared, that is 4 minus, here is minus 2 cubed, that is minus 8, Then minus minus 8, that gives us plus 8. And 4 plus 8 equals 12. So this is how to solve this problem. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.